information about you. And you have two children, daughters ba or sons? Two daughters. But you're single.
Okay, my life has never been a normal one. I never had a home, father, mother, children kind of thing, except when I was growing up in Bacolod. Remember, I graduated from UP in 1970. I did organizing work. From 1972 up to the 1986, he has been a life underground or in prison. So, well, my story would be different from the stories of those who have gone through, you know, UP, a corporation, etc.
Merong sa, in the street language, when you have children and you are single, ang tawag dun na ano lang. Thank you. You have my 100% support, Madam Secretary.
Okay. Senator Soto, I teach women's studies. So we respect all kinds of families, and that includes solo parents. Thank you.
Before we proceed,